Why play is the best way to teach preschool. Part 3. A short guide to making the best of the time you spend with your kids for teachers and parents. Children learn as they play, and most importantly, in play, children learn how to learn. Alfred Donaldson. What a wonderful quote. Did you know that play is so important to optimal child development that it's recognized by the United Nations High Commission for Human Rights as the right of every child? It's really that important. Hi, my name is Yanica, and I'm the founder of Printable Preschool. I help people prepare preschoolers for kindergarten with fun ideas for crafts, activities, and printables. Thank you for all the comments and messages I got on my previous videos. It's amazing to know how many people, just like you, are truly interested in the ways to use play to teach the most important things to a preschooler. And, of course, how to make the best of your time spent together. This means the world to me. Thank you so much. In the last two videos, I showed you the many different aspects we can benefit our kids using play. I showed you this pretty infographic of the different areas of development in preschool and the changes every child experiences in their physical growth, cognitive growth, language skills, psychological growth, emotional expression, and social skills. We also talked about how play is something you don't have to overthink and pre-plan every detail of. But to truly benefit your children through play, you have to understand deeply the aspects of it. That's why in the second video we talked about the traits of play, how play is pleasurable, personally motivated, process-oriented, freely chosen, actively engaged, and non-literal. The next thing we did was to identify the 5 types of play our children are exposed to. We talked about social play, which is play with adults and other children. We discussed object play, as object play is considered to take the largest percentage of time of all the play we do in our lives. Then we spoke about the most researched type of play, the pretend play, and physical play when children move, and of course, media play when they use technology. In my first video, I told you the story about my friend and her daughter with challenging behavior, and how she used my printables to teach her 3 letters. The success of my friend with her girl has been amazing. And now that they're finding their workarounds and they're doing their therapy at home, I was wondering something. What I felt in that moment when she called me, screaming and crying in happiness, I could hardly describe it with words. I teared up too, of course, but it was something else I felt in the moment that really struck me. And as I helped my friend's family, what if I could help other families too? What if I could make a difference in more lives with my simple printables? So I decided to give away my Alphabet Roads printable to you. Follow the link in the description and you will find the printable under the first video of the series. You can also get the slides from all the videos here too. Get them now and put them in use. One of the most common topics I got in the messages from my previous videos was about how parents don't have time to play with their children, even now when 1/3 of the world is at home in self-isolation due to the recent uncertain events. I get it. I work from home with a 2-year-old. It's challenging and yet 100% possible. And I'm going to add more ideas about the ways you can engage and play with your children without having to be interacting with them 100% of the time in these slides too. And as I already mentioned, they will be available for you to download from the link in the description. Now, let's dive deep into the learning styles. I really like the VARC model. It contains 4 different types of learning styles: visual, auditory, reading and writing, and kinesthetic. Most of the children use a common combination of styles that works best for them, but in rare cases, one could be more dominant. They learn by seeing. They love pictures, videos, posters, charts, and graphs. They prefer graphic elements over words and need images to explain concepts and ideas. Auditory learners are those who learn best by hearing. They love to recite, listen to the radio, to the TV. They absorb information that is being spoken effortlessly and process information by talking through things. Kinesthetic learners are children who learn the best by doing. They love dance, act, they love hands-on activities. They prefer concrete, personal experiences and process information by recreation and practice. The last learning type we're going to talk about is reading writing. This learning type is usually related to kids that are older than preschool. They learn the best by reading and writing. They love books, writing stories, and written quizzes. As I already mentioned before, kids rarely learn through only one style. It's more of an exception than a rule, of course, but identifying where your kid really enjoys spending their time will help you improve their skills in all areas of development and without making them feel school or pushed. I stumbled on a quiz that I liked very much on Scholastic's website, and I'm leaving you the link to check it out for yourself. It's been really awesome sharing this information and seeing the excitement and results. I'm completely stunned by the response. That's why I put together a printable learning binder that you can use with any type of learner. You can help your kids practice in a fun way all the main concepts they learn in preschool so they could start kindergarten prepared. It doesn't matter if you're a preschool teacher that is currently teaching your kids from a distance, or you are a parent and you are trying to work from home while homeschooling your kids in the same time. The binder will work for your children. And the best part is that it doesn't require for you to be 100% involved while the child plays with it. They just take out the pieces they need and put together everything by themselves, and they're playing and they're learning. The colors are attracting their attention and they have to use their hands to do the activities. I'll be putting the binder for sale today on my website www.printablepreschool.com, and it will be available until Saturday midnight Pacific time zone. You wouldn't want to miss all the surprises I have prepared for you. And have in mind that they will be time sensitive. So don't miss out to leave your email on the link you saw about the printables. And actually, to get the slides, you have to leave your email. And I will inform you about everything on the way until I close the sale. Whew. So please leave a comment to let me know what do you think, because your opinion matters to me. You are the ones making it worth it, because you are raising lifetime learners. I can only provide you with some fun tools to use on your journey. I can't wait to read and reply to all of you again. Talk to you soon again. Bye!